Climb inside the 2015 Chrysler Town & Country. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. Top features include power windows, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, fully automatic headlights, a power rear cargo door, and voice-activated navigation. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Rear LCD monitors provide entertainment that your passengers will appreciate no matter how far the drive. In the event of a rollover collision, side curtain airbags provide additional protection for outboard seated passengers. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.